Today I am making one of my favorite easy meals, salsa chicken. First you are going to get out 1 pound of chicken breasts and pound them to about a ½ inch thick so the chicken cooks evenly. Next you are going to combine 1 teaspoon chili powder, a ½ teaspoon cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. You might have noticed that I quadrupled this seasoning recipe just to make sure that I had enough. Because as you can see here, you will rub it into both sides of the chicken breasts. Next, you are going to get out an extra large frying pan and put in about a ½ tablespoon of cooking oil. Now you're going to put your chicken in the pan. Once you get all of your pieces in the pan, go ahead and set your timer to 5 minutes. While you're waiting, it may be a good idea to get your side dishes ready. In this case, I will be making 2 cups of jasmine rice. And I love using my rice cooker, so I'm going to go ahead and use that today, and it will make things definitely a lot easier. After the 5-minute timer is up, go ahead and flip your chicken over, and you're going to cook it for another 5 minutes. When you're confident the chicken is cooked completely through, you will remove the chicken from the pan and let it rest. Next, grab 1 15-ounce can of black beans and make sure to rinse thoroughly. Then get 1 or 2 16-ounce jars of medium salsa. And now it's time to dish up your plate. I usually like to put the chicken on top of the rice, just like this. And if you would like to fancy it up even a bit more, you might even try serving the dish with a vegetable like a side salad.